Hey guys, Will and family here. You might be wondering, why on earth are we standing in front of a giant shed door? So those of you who watch the channel regularly might have seen, I think it was July last year, I did a video standing on a big concrete slab explaining that we were building a big workshop, and you guys haven't heard anything about that pretty much since, because we've been absolutely flat out behind the scenes building it. So Benny, do you want to do the honors, push the magic button?
The magic button.
And
the magic door.
what have we got, Benny?
I don't know, what is it?
The Boosted Media Workshop?
Media Workshop.
Boosted Media Workshop, yeah. All right, so.
Boosted Media Family Shed or whatever.
Boosted Media Family Shed, okay. So, a lot of questions, a lot of answers to go through here. So it still doesn't really feel real just standing here, does it? It seems a bit crazy.
It took a while, but we got there.
We got there in the end. So, what are we doing here? You guys know that I've been passionate about cars. Come around here, guys. I've been passionate about cars for a very long time. In fact, this channel actually started out with me building it was Project BRZ back in the day. And that was 12 years ago, believe it or not. In fact, that all kind of came to a stop because Lizzie was born.
Someone arrived.
Somebody arrived.
And then I came along.
And I didn't exactly have time to work on cars anymore. But fast forward 12 years, and we now have two kids, Lizzie, who is 11 and Benny, who is 9. And they are both pretty interested in cars and stuff, particularly Benny. So I thought, why not get back into doing something that I'm really passionate about? We've been lucky enough that we've had quite a bit of success with the channel. It puts us in a position to be able to do something pretty special and start something new, but with a bit of a head start, I guess you could say. So this is our workshop. And Benny, do you want to tell us a little bit about what we're doing in here?
So we recently got like a lift.
Yeah, we got a hoist. Yeah.
Pull cars up so we can work on cars.
So we're going to be working on cars in here, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going to be working on a project car.
Yeah, and that is the project car hidden under the cover over there. Don't say what it is though.
I'm not saying I don't want to spoil it.
All right, so I'm sure you guys have a lot of questions here. The first thing I want you guys to know before we even do a bit of a tour here is that nothing's changing with the main Boosted Media channel. We're going to be introducing a couple of videos, once every month, maybe once every couple of months, depending on what's going on. Just kind of giving you an update on what's going on in here. But Boosted Media is still going to be a review channel. We're going to be still doing sim racing hardware. Nothing is going to change there because I don't want to dilute the content too much. I know the majority of you guys watching this channel now are here because of those hardware reviews, and we don't want to change that. But what we are going to be doing is starting a brand new channel, and we're going to be doing it a little bit differently from what you've probably seen before. So car building content has really exploded over the last 12 years. And back when I was doing it a long time ago, it was more sort of tutorial style content where people would buy a specific car and they'd make really detailed, really specific videos for that particular car. In the time since then, we've seen channels like Matt Armstrong, for example, Tavarish, heaps of channels like that are more sort of like an entertainment platform rather than something that is specific to one particular car. And that means that it's a general interest thing that everybody can watch and enjoy. But what hasn't really been done before, that I've seen at least, is a channel that is kind of more aimed towards families, something that dads can watch with their kids, their wives, their daughters, and something that everybody can join in with, get involved with, learn a little bit from, and just have fun in the process. Now, I'm certainly not an expert by any means. I know enough to be dangerous, but what we're going to be doing on this new channel is basically just learning together, trying things together, making mistakes together, messing things up together. What was that, Benny?
I was about to say, and having a lot of fun.
Exactly. So, do you guys want to give a little bit of a tour of what we got going on? And we're not going to go around the back though, because that's all the storage area. We'll show you a couple of shots of the mezzanine floor and everything. But yeah, this is the space here. So
there's a lift.
Yeah, that is a hoist or a car lift.
Car lift.
Yeah.
And then we've got the mystery car.
The mystery car, yes. That took a lot of effort. This was actually really cool. This we got the panels from a company called Delico Panels here in Australia, and yeah, I was really impressed with these. They're like a timber finish with an acoustic bat behind it, and it really made a huge amount of difference to the amount of echo that we had in here. And then we got a whole bunch of lights through them as well, which are color changing. We can actually use those as lights to sort of light up what we're doing in the front as well when we're not in boosted media mode. There's a lot to do in terms of tool chests and cabinets and just general tools and bits and pieces. But
I finally got my surfboard rack.
You finally got your surfboard rack, which you were really... We got a place for the dirt bikes as well. And yeah, it's gotten a lot of clutter. I mean, the primary objective here, as you guys remember from the video back in July last year, was to move all the boxes and everything out of the main studio, simply because every time we were trying to film, we were having to shuffle stuff around, and it was just an absolute nightmare. We were losing about 2 hours just shuffling stuff around in a 10-hour filming day. So this has made things a lot more efficient. But we thought, you know, since we're doing it anyway, why don't we turn it into something that we can turn into a bit of a workshop as well. Have some fun, yeah. So that's what we're doing. So is there anything else to show before we wrap things up, Benny?
So there is the fan, which is very helpful.
Actually, we've got a few things over here, don't we? This is all very messy at the moment, but IGL Australia, who the importer is a very good friend of mine. He very kindly helped us out with a whole bunch of IGL gear. We've got the Space Crab, that's our router, so we've got Wi-Fi up here as well.
We do have a vacuum.
We do, oh yes, this stuff is really cool. So I reached out to Giraffe Tools after seeing a couple of other content creators with their gear, and they very kindly provided, I've got my wet towels up here at the moment, we've just been washing cars, but they very kindly provided a whole bunch of stuff here. So we've got a shop vacuum with a, I think it's 30 foot, I'll flash it up on the screen if I'm wrong, 30 foot retractable hose there. We've got
attachments for getting the sand out of your car.
Yes. Yeah. So Jill is finally washing her car again, which is good. We've got a pressure washer here as well, which I think is a 100-foot hose. We've got a foam cannon. We've got an extension cable there. We've got an air hose, an air compressor as well.
What's the air hose?
And Benny, an air hose is this thing. So you connect it up to the compressor, and then you can use air tools and stuff. It's
so it's like a giant air thing, except like a bigger version of the one they use at the dentist.
Yes, pretty much
So
bigger.
you could push yourself on like a go-kart or whatever.
Probably not that stuff.
Not quite.
But yeah, what do you reckon, guys? Should we show these guys the project car?
New adventure.
The new adventure. So what we're gonna do is I'll get you guys to actually stand at the back and all hold on to it, and let me just check that we're all lined up here. Give it a big yank. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, so apologies for the little tease. Actually, I'm not going to apologize for teasing you, because I want you to go and check out the new video on the brand new channel to find out what the project car is. So there'll be a link in the pinned comment and in the description box down below for that. But for those of you who are still watching this video, I wanted to have a bit of a heart-to-heart with you guys, talk about some of the deeper reasons why I'm doing this, because I feel like, you know, as a husband and a dad, this stuff doesn't get talked about nearly as much as it should do, and I think it's important to sort of break the ice on a lot of this stuff. So look, I want to start this off firstly by saying, again, a massive thank you to you guys for making, you know, all of this stuff possible. Every time I walk up here, and every time I walk into our studio as well, you know, I have to pinch myself. It just doesn't seem real. And, you know, I think back to, you know, not that long ago, back in 2018, when we were filming in that little corner of my dining room, and there was a pendant light that sat above my head, and every time I got up, I'd hit my head on it. And it was just an absolutely crazy time. And, you know, then the pandemic happened, and we had, you know, Benny was only 3.5, Lizzie was 5.5. She'd just started school. And then everybody was at home, and I'm trying to film in the double garage then. We'd moved into the double garage, turned it into a studio, which, you know, you guys facilitated as well. And yeah, I mean, I look back, I don't know how we got through those times, but we did. And yeah, somehow with your support, we've ended up here, which is just amazing to me. And you know, I've told you guys before, I do struggle a lot with imposter syndrome. You know, I don't feel like I deserve what we've been able to build. You know, I know that I've worked extremely hard, but I also know that there's a lot of luck involved. And I also am acutely aware that there's a lot of other people that were working just as hard as me, and, you know, even harder during those same times, and, you know, weren't able to pull through like we were, and, you know, have success through those times. So I want to, you know, acknowledge that and let you guys know how much I appreciate, you know, all the things that you've done for me, because, you know, you've transformed my life, you've transformed Tom's life, and my family's life, his family's lives, and, you know, that really can't be understated. I want you guys to understand the impact. So as part of that, I wanted to explain at a deeper level exactly what all of this means to me personally, and you know, some of the deeper reasons why we're doing all this stuff. So yeah, I mean, this is a very difficult thing to talk about, and it's not something that I think I've ever shared on the channel before, but rewind back 30 years. In fact, wow, I hadn't thought of this, but 30 years almost to the day. It was the I'm filming this on the 16th of April, and it was the 15th of April 1996 when my parents separated. And yeah, I mean, we grew up as kids, Tom and I, on a very similar property to what we have here, and you know, we weren't massively well off or anything like that, but you know, we had enough room to run around and entertain ourselves. We had our BMX bikes, we had a couple of dirt bikes as well, and you know, we had a pretty privileged childhood, all things considered, I would say. And yeah, I mean, we spent our days outdoors, you know, working on Dad's car, working on our bikes, playing with radio control car, all the normal things that, you know, privileged young kids are able to do. And yeah, when my parents separated, I lived with my mum, so yeah, we just didn't have that that fatherly influence in our lives anymore. You know, we still saw our dad, but you know, it's not the same as having a dad that, you know, lives with you. And yeah, I mean, some of my best childhood memories were, you know, doing things like fixing up our push bikes, working on Dad's car, and you know, just doing things like that, like, you know, most boys do. And yeah, all of a sudden, you know, out of nowhere, that was all gone. And yeah, it took a really heavy toll. I mean, this is where all my anxiety issues that I've shared before all started. And you know, all of a sudden, I went from being a kid to, you know, having to be the man of the house and basically just learn how to do things myself, because there wasn't anybody else that was going to do it. You know, Tom being younger than me, it kind of fell upon me to, you know, step up and become the man of the house at 11 years old. So yeah, I mean, to cut a long story short, that has been a big motivation behind, you know, a lot of the things that you guys have seen me do and I guess achieve over the years that you guys have been watching the channel. It's been a massive motivation to me to sort of try and provide for my kids the lifestyle that I had and the things that I cherished as a kid myself. And, you know, to be in the position now, thanks to you guys, to be able to do that is just, I mean, I can't even begin to express the level of gratitude that I have, because yeah, it really is absolutely. I mean, look, this was never on the cards for me. You know, I had a regular job. I earned a decent enough wage to support the family, but it was never going to be on the cards to, you know, be able to have a workshop and, you know, nice cars and all that kind of stuff. It was, you know, it just wasn't going to be a reality, and I was okay with that. But you know, at the same time, I had this drive, and yeah, you guys have made it all possible. So I wanted to share that with you guys firstly, but also talk a little bit more about, you know, some of the reasons why I want to do this specifically. So, you know, I used to, as you guys that have been watching the channel forever would know, I used to work on cars. That was probably my biggest passion. And, you know, as I said before earlier in the video, when we had kids, that wasn't really a possibility anymore. But so yeah, as you guys have seen, I've just been working at building Boosted Media to provide for my family and to provide, you know, value for you guys as well, because I'm so passionate about the community. But you know, it has taken its toll both mentally and physically. I mean, you guys have seen I've put on a lot of weight over the last couple of years. I've really struggled to lose that weight. I've had a lot of health issues as knock-ons from, you know, being just relatively unfit and unhealthy. And that's all stuff that I'm trying to get on top of at the moment, but it's a lot harder than it was when I was 10 years younger. You know, being in my early 40s now, yeah, you certainly start to feel it after a while. But one of the big mistakes that I've made over the years has been not forming the relationship that I should have, particularly with Benny. I've got a pretty good relationship with Lizzie, but Benny's been a struggle. And you know, because I've been so busy with work, a lot of the time I've been prioritizing, you know, my work over my relationship with my wife and both my kids, but particularly Benny. And, you know, he's missed out on a lot of those things that I cherished as a kid. And it kind of crept up on me because, you know, he's pretty much the same age now that Tom was when my parents split up. And I was thinking, I haven't really, you know, we've achieved a lot in terms of, you know, things and, you know, space and everything, but I haven't really formed that relationship with him that I should have. And I carry a lot of guilt for that as well. But there's never a better time than now to fix that. And, that's one of the big things that I want to do now. And, already, as you guys know, we've already done quite a bit of work on the project car. So there'll be quite a few videos when you guys go over and check out that new channel. And, I'm already forming a much better relationship with him through that process. So a lot of what this channel is going to be is just, sharing that journey with you guys. And, hopefully that's something that can inspire, a lot of the dads out there or guys out there looking at having a family one day, or, maybe you're not looking at having a family, but you just like to spend quality time with friends and stuff. So I'm really hoping that, this can be something that helps inspire you guys wherever you're at in life. And, you don't need to have a space like this to spend time with your kids. And I think that's probably the big mistake that I've made is, putting it off and trying to build and focusing so hard on the business and everything. And, I don't regret doing that because obviously it's put us in the position that we're in now. But I do, if I had my time again, knowing what I know now, I definitely would have done things a little bit differently. So now is the time to fix it. And again, like I'm not going to be, stepping away from Boosted Media or anything like that. Those videos are going to continue as they have been for the last year or so. In fact, if anything, they're going to increase because we've had a lot of challenges over the last year, but we'll talk about that separately. But one of the other things that I wanted to share with you guys is just that, just in the process of doing this, I've noticed, again, it's a bit of a difficult thing to talk about, but, obviously we're filming when we're working on the cars and everything. And one of the things I've noticed is how snappy I am with Benny when he doesn't understand something. And the scary part of that is that I don't even realize that I'm doing it. Like, everything feels normal and fine. And then I go and watch the footage back when I'm editing. And I'm like, wow, I'm being really hard on him and really snappy. And it's quite confronting and quite scary. So, I'm going to be going on a personal journey with all this as well, learning to be a better dad. And I'm, really just hoping to take you guys along on that journey with me. So, if that's something that sounds good to you guys, I would really appreciate you subscribing over on the new channel. At least check out the first video. And I'm looking forward to sharing this journey with you guys. But I wanted to say a massive thank you once again from the bottom of my heart for everything that you guys have done for both Tom and I and our families, because it really does mean the world to us. And it still doesn't seem real, but really looking forward to continuing what we're doing with Boosted Media, but adding this to something that we're doing as well and sharing the journey with you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for everything, guys. And we'll see you again for another Boosted Media video very soon. But I'll hopefully see you right now over on the new channel to check out the intro video and some of the first build videos over there. So thanks guys. See you soon.